Nothing is new, Maseo Karakere. Kureba to Batama Hulama to Kereke. Kureba to Batama Fatana Lita Makarakere. Nothing, it has been there at the times of Saul. Saul was on his way to Damascus to kill the children of God. Listen to me well today. When he was on his way, I know yes that he tried not to hide. Asama lele puto na high. Can you come? Asama lele puto na high. They were armed with the swords.